Yeah, I'm gonna sort out. Yeah, yeah. If you want my team, then you better. But for now, for the rest of this season, which is only 2 more episodes, I'm gonna be staying in the house I actually wanted, which is a forest that actually is, which is a forest actual themed house. Now this might actually, I think this is actually very small, so I'm gonna change the one I am on right now. Leave in the comments, that's definitely big. Now that's the house I had before. Now see how it looks way smaller than the house I wanted? If I can even find the house that I wanted. But I think it was, it's this one. Reporting to my house. Is that this house is big. But as I said, I'm still gonna be going somewhere. But look at this luxury house I'll be staying in. For now. The kitchen is in the living room. Whoa. That is a lot of floors. And I'm gonna give y'all the trailer to the next season. I'm not gonna upload yet. I'm gonna miss one upload day. Even though I was supposed to upload for 11 days. It's fine because I already missed a couple days of uploading. Whoa. If I upload the trailer, I basically didn't miss an upload day because I still uploaded. But I'm gonna go somewhere now because I've already been recording for 2 minutes and I don't know where to go. Actually, I was supposed to be doing a barbecue. So, once I get to the top floor, I'm gonna go do the barbecue episode, which is today. I'm gonna do the barbecue episode and I changed my outfit back to this red outfit with the fanny pack and all that stuff. I'm not gonna check any of the rooms. I'm not even gonna be staying in this city for that long. We have a piano up here. We have a little tiny room up here, too. Oh, a bedroom up here. Is there no way to get on top of the roof? Guys, I don't think there's no way to get on top of the roof. So I might have to change the house to a different house that I actually didn't want. Or I might have to change it back to the house that I had at first. Because that house had stairs on the side. And those stairs led up to the roof. So if there ain't no... Why is it locked? Why is it open? Hello, door, open. I'm not locked outside of my house. Hello, door? Guys, I think the door is broken. I think the game actually broke. And stop. Now! Well, that was bad. Now I gotta leave the server and join back in. This video is gonna be how my music videos are filmed for a while. But now the screen will be full screen again. There we go. I might make this a short. I'm trying to make this a short episode. And I was finna go barbecue at 2 minutes. And it took 3 more minutes for me to try to get outside of my door. And they wouldn't even let me out of the door. And I don't know why it wouldn't let me out of the door. This time I'm not even gonna go inside. Cause what's the point of me going inside if I'm just gonna get stuck? But I'm gonna go on top of the roof like this. Yeah, there's no barbecue station. Okay, there was a bad house to spawn. Let's see what other houses they have. I think I need a house that has a flat roof, because I think that's the only way I can, like... Yeah, I'm finna just spawn this one. Which is the one that I have that I was supposed to have. So I'm gonna use this house one more time, just because it has a barbecue on top. I probably won't be having a barbecue in the next grill. Okay, what do I grill? Ooh. Let me get something. So I'm gonna grab the food I'm gonna be making for you guys today. So I'm gonna be making how about a grilled burger? That would taste good. Okay, it just gives you that. Okay, I guess I cannot make whatever I want. I thought I was gonna grill some stuff for you guys, sorry. I thought that was how it would work. But it just grilled this. That's all it grilled. Watch. See? All it grills is that. I was trying to grill something else for you guys, but I cannot grill anything else. And I've been living in the villa house too much, so I'm actually gonna change that, even though I already recorded the first episode for season 5 early. I'm gonna switch that house instead of staying in that house. And I already got my outfit like ready for the next season and stuff like that. So well, no, I did not say I was gonna use your phone. I said, when you done with your video so I can record my video on my phone. On my phone.
I don't have video.
Well, no.
What?
On my phone.
What about on your phone?
I record videos on my phone.
And what that got to do with my phone?
Cause I just want your video in the background, but I just started recording.
Get your feet away from that phone. I mean, away from that
I'm just gonna make this probably a short episode, since it didn't let me do whatever I want on the grill. I was like gonna grill y'all some like chicken and what else did I want to grill y'all? I was gonna grill y'all some chicken. I was gonna make a grilled cheeseburger. And there's no more food that I can really grill. I was gonna make y'all chicken, some grilled chicken. I was gonna make y'all grilled cheeseburger, double meat cheeseburger. And I was gonna make y'all some chicken, because you cannot grill french fries. I don't know if french fries can be grilled. No, french fries cannot be grilled. Do not try to grill French fries. That is not good. French fries cannot be grilled, so do not try to grill no French fries. But I hope y'all enjoyed this episode. Make sure you like and subscribe. Cause this is the last time y'all will see this house. Like in this last episode, y'all won't see me standing in this house. Y'all will see me standing in the house y'all will see me standing in the house I actually wanted before. I wanted an actual bigger house, but I was like, you know what? This house look cool, so I would go. I just got it. But this is the last episode. Y'all will see me in this house, and bye bye. And enjoy season 5 on the 22nd. No, not the 22nd. Not the 22nd. On the 18th. Yeah, enjoy Bayview season 5 on the 18th. No, the 19th, because I'm gonna miss an upload day just because of the trailer. Cause that's not gonna be counting as an actual upload. So, bye bye.